Hey friends, if you wish to use emojis on your Windows 10 computer, then I will guide you through the same. Now, ideally, there used to be an option in the right click menu, but if it doesn't exist and you wish to use emojis literally anywhere, on a browser, on a search bar, on a text editor, anywhere at all in Windows, all you need to do is press the Windows key and the period key, the full stop key together. Windows plus full stop, Windows plus period, and this will appear. Now I can use an emoji. Let's say I can use this emoji, or I can use a GIF, this one. But when I use a GIF, it will close the window. So I'll open it once again, and I can use more emojis, but these different kind ones. And I can also use the clipboard. So the clipboard is where all of this is copied, and from there you can paste it. And I can also use some different kind of punctuations, like I can use the pound symbol or the yen symbol. The same can be done for any other location on your system, for example the search bar. So press the Windows key and the period key together, and you can add an emoji, and you can add, let's say, a symbol, the pound symbol. This must be really great. This would be very helpful. Was it? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.